Welcome to Exam Sale. This voiceover guides you through the Juniper Security Design Specialist exam syllabus in a clear and practical way. Overview of the exam structure and domain weights will help you plan study time. The exam covers 7 domains with exact weights as follows: Network Security Design 20%, Security Design Fundamentals 15%, Security Policy and Operations 15%, Cloud Security 15%, Secure Network Administration 15%, Security Assessment 10%, and Automated Security Solutions 10%. Network Security Design carries 20% of the exam and is rated hard with 30 hours of study recommended and scenario-based assessment. You will learn architectural design for campus, branch, and data center environments including campus LAN security, branch connectivity and high availability strategies. The syllabus covers scalable enterprise and service provider architectures, CGNAT and edge protection, plus data center topics such as micro-segmentation, north-south and east-west traffic control and SDN integrated security. Security Design Fundamentals is 15% of the exam, medium difficulty with 20 hours of study and a mix of conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches core security design methodology including defining requirements, life cycle management, industry security frameworks and business continuity planning. You will also study zero trust concepts such as identity-based access control, least privilege modeling, continuous verification and reducing implicit trust zones. Security Policy and Operations is 15%, medium difficulty with 20 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. Expect to learn how to develop organizational security policies, manage ACLs, build user and application-aware policies and apply policy inheritance while mapping technical controls to compliance requirements. The domain also covers the security operations lifecycle including incident response planning, auditing and review processes, change management and forensic readiness with performance metrics. Cloud Security is 15%. Rated hard with 25 hours of study and assessed with conceptual and scenario-based questions. You will learn public, private and hybrid cloud security including the shared responsibility model, VPC and VNet design, securing cloud-native workloads and hybrid connectivity options like VPN and direct connections plus CSPM concepts. The curriculum also covers virtualized security components such as deploying VSRX firewalls, container and hypervisor security, NFV considerations and service chaining in virtual environments. Secure Network Administration is 15%, medium difficulty with 15 hours of study and a hands-on plus conceptual assessment. This domain focuses on management and monitoring infrastructure, covering in-band and out-of-band management design, securing management protocols, role-based access control and AAA design and centralized management platforms. It also addresses logging and reporting best practices including centralized syslog, SIM integration, flow monitoring, compliance reporting and log retention planning. Security Assessment is 10%, medium difficulty with 10 hours of study and a scenario-based assessment. You will study risk management and compliance with quantitative and qualitative methodologies, asset identification and valuation, regulatory controls and business impact analysis to select appropriate controls. Vulnerability and threat assessment topics include scanning strategies, penetration testing approaches, threat modeling, evaluating exploitability and prioritizing remediation. Automated Security Solutions is 10%, rated hard with 15 hours of study and assessed with conceptual and scenario-based items. This domain teaches automation and orchestration benefits and techniques including REST API integration, automated threat response, configuration management using Ansible and Python and CI/CD pipeline security integration. It also covers advanced security services such as Juniper ATP design, cloud-delivered services, adaptive threat profiling, encrypted traffic insights and threat intelligence feed integration. In summary, the exam spans 7 domains and requires focused study across architecture, policy, cloud, operations, assessment and automation. The recommended study time totals approximately 135 hours, so plan hands-on practice and scenario review to match the assessment types. Good luck and use this syllabus to structure a disciplined study plan.